In addition to the regular font, WhatsApp supports 8 other fonts, and I'll show them to you right now. You can emphasize text to your message in 8 other ways. This works on iOS and Android phones, and here are the methods. First one, bold text. Put the asterisk at the beginning and the end of the chosen text. For example, highlight text in bold. Second, strike-through text. Use a tilde at the beginning and at the end of the selected text. And here, for example, highlight text in strike-through. Third, italic text. Place underscore at the beginning and at the end of the selected text, and for example, we see highlight text in italic. And finally, fourth, monospace font. Use triple backticks to enclose the text. For example, this is monospace font. By the way, I have an extension that lets you send messages to contact even if you don't have your number saved in their smartphones, in which you can also use these fonts. You can send holiday greetings, event notifications or surveys, addressing recipients personally by name. This extension has no monthly fees, messages sending limits or restriction on installation, and the link to this extension is in the description below this video. So we covered the basics of 4 fonts, and the next 4 fonts are a combination of previous one. 5. For example, bold strike-through text. Hello, this is bold strike-through text. Note that switching the order of symbols won't change the result. For example, hello or hello will still the same result in bold strike-through text. 6. Next, bold italic text with asterisk and underscore. Here we see. 7. Strike-through italic text with underscore and tilde. Hello, this is strike-through italic text. And finally, bold strike-through italic text with asterisk, tilde and underscore. Hello, this is bold strike-through text. Remember, the placement of symbols should be symmetrical around the text you want to highlight. Different orders produce the same result, as long as symmetry is maintained. Here is examples. Hello, bold strike-through italic text. Font combination with apostrophes only result in monospace font without the ability to apply italic, strike-through or bold. And here an example. You can use this font combination in regular WhatsApp application, quick replace in WhatsApp Business, and as well as WhatsApp web versions and application on iMac or Windows. That's all. Good luck and see you in the next videos.